A poor woman was left with 4 eyebrows after a microblading treatment went horribly wrong. If you think you're having a bad day right now, at least you don't have 4 eyebrows. Forget unibrow, how about quadribrow? Welcome back to InformOverload. We do the news and we make it entertaining. I'm Charlotte Dobre, queen of potatoes, mother of spuds, and in case you're wondering and you're new here, you guys are the potatoes. If you guys want to connect with the IO team on social media, check out the description for the links to our socials. So listen, for those of you who don't know what microblading is, it's this kind of like new thing that people are doing that is essentially a way for you to fill in your thin eyebrows semi-permanently. Keyword, semi-permanently. Microblading is a semi-permanent form of tattooing, where practitioners tattoo tiny hair-like strokes using a small blade or needle to give you perfectly shaped brows. Microblading is a great way to save your eyebrows that have been overplucked, and it's also great for people who weren't blessed with big, beautiful eyebrows. But it's definitely not a treatment that you want to pinch pennies on. Always go to a trusted professional. And maybe 42-year-old Jamie Ledbetter learned that the hard way. Jamie Ledbetter is from Missouri, and she was born without eyebrows. So back in November of 2018, her daughters got her a $250 Groupon voucher to get them microbladed. The person that she went to said that they were a certified microblader. But apparently they weren't. After the treatment was over, Jamie looked in the mirror and was horrified to see these horrible looking caterpillars on her face. Apparently these brows were so dark that they couldn't be covered by makeup. Jamie refused to leave the house except for work and to pick up groceries. Jamie told WDAF, "I was devastated. I was even dating a guy and he stopped dating me at that point." Oh, that sucks. So Jamie then tried to find another microblading practitioner to help her fix her horrible eyebrows. She did find one who promised to camouflage the bad job, but then as if things couldn't get any worse, Jamie ended up with 4 microbladed eyebrows on her face. Like, how does that even happen? You have one job. One job. So is there anything that can be done at this point? I mean, Jamie has literally 4 semi-permanent tattoos in the shape of eyebrows on her face. The semi-shape of eyebrows, I might add. Thankfully, Jamie talked to a licensed tattoo artist, Cara Gutierrez, who is using a lightening solution called Lift on Jamie's eyebrows to help pull out the color. Jamie has to do the treatment at 8-week intervals, and it's gonna take around 3 more treatments before her brows look normal again. But this is gonna set her back $1,000, which could have been spent toward a decent microblading session in the first place. Little update here, apparently the microblading artist who screwed up Jamie's eyebrows the first time has since gone out of business. So at least she won't be doing microblading in the future. If you do plan to get some microblading done, be aware that because the treatment is becoming so popular, there's a lot of people posing as professionals. In Missouri, where Jamie is from, microblading isn't regulated, so there was no one really checking to see if this microblading professional was legit or not. Let me know your microblading experiences down there in the comments. For now, I'm gonna respond to some comments from my video, Teen melts off her hair with bleach, which by the way hit 1.1 million views over the weekend. Ayy. Peanut Butter Jelly said, "Charlotte, hi, my name is Charlotte Dobre. Me, are you related to the Dobre brothers?" I get a lot of comments like this. Dobre is a very common Eastern European last name, so no, I'm not related to the Dobre brothers, unfortunately. Sorry to disappoint. Daza said, "Don't try this at home." Me, I will try it at my friend's house. Fine. Natalie said, "Oh my god, I thought she threw up those noodles." Nope, that was her hair, not noodles. Jesse Bungie said, "Welcome to another episode of Why the Heck Is This in My Recommended?" I have no idea, Jesse, but I'm still glad that you're here. This is the end screen, it means the video is over, but to keep watching you can click that playlist, and obviously you should leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so I can see you in a future IO video.